As you see guys, this is a no makeup look tutorial, and this look I'm going to create in this video. And yeah, it's a like chill everyday makeup look you can create, it's so easy. So if you want to minimize the steps, you can if you want. So as you see, it's beautiful. So let's just start it. First I'm going to use this one, foundation. And on with that brush, foundation, blend everything. Now it's done. So now I'm going to apply this blush. Just a little bit. The amount you have to apply, and then blend it in with the same brush, with a foundation brush. Product is apply here like this. It's the line. Okay. Now a little bit highlighter. My pen nose. After applying highlighter, let's step with that eyeliner. It's mascara. This one. It's a 24 gold carat lip oil. I need to apply this one also. It's a little tint. This mascara also. This is the new one I bought it. A little bit shimmer.